Welcome back to another class. In this video we are going to discuss unbalanced transportation problem with respect to least cell method. So just join the lecture. Thank you for watching. Welcome back to online class. In this video we are going to discuss unbalanced transportation problem by least cell method. In the previous video we have discussed the unbalanced transportation problem by northwest corner method. In the next video we will discuss Vogel approximation method. Let's discuss the least cell method steps. We have already discussed these steps in least cell method balanced transportation problem. I have already uploaded video. Now the steps are: the first step is find the minimum value in the cost matrix. After finding the minimum value, the next step is same as the first method, northwest corner method. We have to allocate the least value by comparing demand and supply. After that add as same as northwest corner method, we will add the allocated numbers, the sum of allocated numbers, and we calculate it, and the optimum solution will be obtained. Here is the same problem we have taken in the northwest corner method. We will solve this problem by least cell method. This is unbalanced transportation problem. We balanced it by adding 22 here, and the whole column is 0 because the sum was 95. In the sum of demand was 95. We added 22 to get it balanced. The sum of supply is 117, so we added 22 in 95 to become equal to sum of supply. Now the sum of supply and demand is equal 117. Now we will choose the least number in the whole cost matrix. The 0 is the least value in the whole matrix. Now we will just choose one number, one cell to allocate the numbers. Let's say 0. With respect to 0, demand is 22 and supply is 15. We will write 15 here because 15 is least and 22 is more. We have allocated 15 here. Now 15 will be cancelled into 0 and 22 will be cancelled into 15 will turn into 0 and 22 will turn into 7. Now the supply is 0, so the first row will be cancelled. Now we will choose another least value in the cost matrix. Cost matrix is the whole problem. Cost matrix, all the sources and destinations are the cost matrix. So we will choose 0 again because 0 is the least amount. With respect to this 0, 25 is the supply and 7 is the demand. Okay, now we will allocate here 7. Now we will allocate here 7. 7 will be 0 and 25 will turn into 18. As the 7 is, the demand is 0, the whole column will be cancelled out. Now we will choose this row, this column is cancelled, this row is cancelled. Now we have 5 destinations and 3 sources. The first source is cancelled out, the last destination is cancelled out. Now we have these cost matrix. We will choose the least number in the cost matrix. The 2 is the least number, you can see. So with respect to 2, we have to change the values of demand and supply. Supply is 42 and demand is 20. We will allocate 20 here because 20 is least with respect to 42. 20 will become 0 and here will remain 22 because 40 minus 20, here will remain 20 because 42 minus 20 will be equal to 20. Here will remain 22 because 42 minus 20 will equal to 22. So this column will be cancelled out because the demand is 0. Now we will see the next minimum number. The next minimum number is 3. With respect to 3, the supply is 18 and the demand is 30. We will allocate here 30. We will allocate here 18 because 30 is more and 18 is less. We have to allocate the least number from demand and supply. Now 18 will be equal to 0 and the whole row will be cancelled out. Here will remain. Now the second row will be cancelled out and here will remain 12. Now we will see the next minimum number, which is 4, 7, 7, 10, 6, 4. 4 is the least minimum number. Students, see there are 2 times 4 twice written here. We will choose any of the random number. I am choosing this one. With respect to 4, 22 is supply and 12 is demand. We will write here 12. Here will remain 0 and here will remain 10 because 22 minus 10 equals to 22 minus 12 equals to 10. Here it will turn into 0. The whole column will be cancelled out. Now there are 4 cells, 7, 6, 10 and 4. We will choose 4 because 4 is least in number. With respect to 4, 35 is supply and 10 is demand. We will write 10 here because 10 is least and 35 is more. We have to allocate the least number. Here 10 will turn into 0 and here will remain 25 because 35 minus 10 equals to 25. The 0 of demand will be cause cancellation of the whole column. Now there are 4 cells, 7, 5, 10, 9. 5 is the least number, so we will choose 5 number. With respect to 5, 10 is the supply and 20 is the demand. We will allocate 10 here because 10 is the least number and 20 is more. We have to allocate least number here. 10 will be cancelled out and 20 will turn into 10 because 20 minus 10 equals to 10. This row will be cancelled out because the supply is 0. We have now 2 cells, 10 and 9. We will choose 9 because 9 is least. With respect to 9, 10 is the supply, 10 is the demand and 25 is the supply. With respect to this allocation, 10 will be cancelled out into 0 and 25 will turn into 15 because 25 minus 10 equals to 15. Now see, this will cause cancellation of the whole column. The last numbers are 15 and 15. Demand is 15 and supply is 15. We will allocate 15 here. At the last cell, when the supply and demand are equal, that means the question is doing right. Now 15 will turn into 0 and 15 will turn into 0. We will write all the allocation. We will add all the sums of allocations. 18 into 3, 12 into 4, 20 into 2, 5 into 10, 4 into 10, 9 into 10, 5 into 10, 0 into 7 and 0 into 15. Now we will calculate this sum and the obtaining answer will be feasible solution with respect to least cell method. We have obtained the solution, initial basic feasible solution by least cell method. We have calculated all this sum. The optimum feasible solution is 472. Do share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching.